Have you ever taken a moment to think about where the buttons on your clothes come from? These tiny accessories are a big deal in the fashion and garment industry. In fact, over 60 billion buttons are produced globally each year, yes, billion. And the process of making them is more fascinating and complex than you might expect. It all starts with the raw materials. Most buttons today are made from plastic, usually polyester or nylon, thanks to its durability and cost-effectiveness. But high-end buttons can also be made from materials like wood, coconut shell, metal, Carozo nuts, bone, or even mother of pearl. The choice depends on the final use and the type of garment. For plastic buttons, production begins with melting polyester chips at high temperatures. This molten resin is poured into molds or pressed into large sheets, which are later cut into discs called blanks. For natural materials like shell or wood, the process starts with slicing thin sheets, which are then punched into button-sized shapes. These blanks are then shaped using high-precision machines, which trim the edges, create a smooth finish, and drill 2 or 4 holes depending on the design. Some buttons may be molded with shanks instead of holes, especially for jackets and coats. Once shaped, buttons go through coloring and finishing. They're dyed in large rotating drums or pressure tanks to achieve the desired color. Some are screen printed, pad printed, or even laser engraved with brand logos or decorative patterns. After that, they enter a polishing process tumbled with ceramic or stone media to give them a smooth, glossy, or matte finish. Quality control plays a huge role. Buttons are checked for color consistency, smoothness, and hole alignment, sometimes manually, often by automated vision systems. The approved buttons are then counted either manually or by weight and packed into thousands per box. A single button factory can produce anywhere from 5 to 10 million buttons per day, which totals over 2 to 3 billion buttons per year, depending on capacity. Major producers include China, India, Bangladesh, and Italy, with some factories working 24/7 to meet demand from fashion brands and garment manufacturers around the world. So the next time you button up your shirt or fasten your jeans, take a moment to appreciate the incredible process behind that small, everyday detail, because every button has a story of science, machinery, and design.